Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to change primary model. First let me list all models configured in this OpenClaw setup. This is a command OpenClaw models list, and here you can see four models. So right now this is a primary model OpenAI GPT 4.1 Nano, and here you can see the default tag. That means this is a primary model, and it has two fallback models. Here you can see the fallback models with the tag fallback 1 and 2, and you can see other two models. These are just configured, and here I am going to change this primary model or default model. So let me change. This is a command OpenClaw models set. Then you can mention the name of the model. So I am going to set this model as the primary model. Copy this, paste here. See, right now this is a primary model. I am going to change, then run this command. Okay, done. See, updated this configuration file. Now the default model is Google Gemini 3 Pro preview. Let me verify. Again run OpenClaw models list command. See, now it says the default model is Google Gemini, and here you can see the default tag. So this way we can change primary model or default model. This is a method 1. Method 2. Instead of changing the primary model or default model via command, you can edit configuration file. You can directly edit configuration file. You can edit configuration file using Vim or Nano editor. Just run this command vim openclaw.openclaw.json. Then search for model section. See, and here you can see two sections. One is model. Under agents, one is model, then the models. Under models, you would be able to see all models configured in this OpenClaw setup, including primary model and fallback models. And here under model section, you would be able to see the primary model or default model configured. So if you want to change the default model, just change that name here. Okay, and you can also change fallbacks model here. So if you want to add new fallback model, you can just add that here. And if you want to change primary model, you can change here. After the change, you can save this file, then just restart OpenClaw gateway service. The command is OpenClaw gateway restart. Just run this command after updating the configuration file. So these are the two methods. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.